A very good evening to all members present here. Now, today we are in the next lecture series in basic mechanical engineering. We are going to see about the basic fundamentals of strength of materials, or in other way we can say mechanics of solids. What are the basic objectives of strength of material? So mainly this subject helps to explore a lot of things from the material point of view. So engineer has to select different material relative to the corresponding engineering applications and also involving in analyzing, testing various types of loads which are acting on different structural components and studying the rigidity of the various structural components by withstanding those loads without failure. So with this information, we will move further to the remaining segment of discussion. So what exactly the strength of material can be defined? The strength of material can be also referred as mechanics of materials, or sometimes we can also say mechanics of solids. It is a classical branch of engineering that primarily deals with how solid objects tend to behave under various types of loads and stresses. It primarily focuses on the ability of material to withstand those forces, external forces, without breaking or deforming excessively. So a structural component should not break due to failure, or it should not get deformed due to overload. So it has to withstand the external force by retaining its strength. So this is one of the major important role in design and analysis of structures and mechanical components. These are some of the important key parameters that are mostly used in designing the strength of the material. The first one is stress. It is nothing but the force that is developed within a material caused by the external load. Strain is the deformation of the material produced due to the stress. The load is nothing but the external impact or a force applied to any mechanical component or a structure. Deformation, due to that external impact or a force that makes the component to change in shape due to the applied load. That's what deformation. Material properties like we can say tensile strength, yield strength, and modulus of elasticity. This will determine how the material will behave under various stresses. So these are some of the most important thing to be considered in strength of material subject. So these parameters are used to solve various analytical problems and models. When coming to importance in engineering, how this subject plays a vital role, the strength of material. It is a fundamental to confirm the safety and efficiency of engineering design. So let us understand how the materials react to different loads. So say safe design and reliable structure. You take buildings, bridges and other civil structures. So all the things has to withstand different type of forces like wind, gravity and earthquake. Accordingly, engineer has to build up a safe and reliable structures. Then selecting appropriate material, suitable material for specific application. So choosing the right material for the component based on the strength, flexibility and other properties, supporting properties. predict the structural behavior under load, analyzing how the structure gets deformed or failed under different conditions. So now I conclude the overall information based on the previous slides. So as an overall, strength of material provides the basic tools and knowledge to the people by ensuring that the various structures and components can withstand the forces that will encounter for their intended usage. So with this information, I thank all the members. We will meet in the next future lecture series in basic mechanical engineering. Thank you all.